TXT, the most basic file format ever created. It's just text with no fancy formatting, colors, or fonts. Your computer can open it with literally any text editor. Think of it as the plain white bread of file formats, boring but reliable. Adobe created this format so documents would look identical everywhere. You can't easily edit PDFs, which is both a blessing and a curse. It's like putting your document in a museum display case. Everyone can look, but good luck changing anything. DocXX, Microsoft Word's attempt to rule the document world. The X version came later and uses zip compression internally. Try renaming a doc's file to zip and opening it. You'll see the document's guts spread across multiple folders. .html, the language that built the internet. Every web page you've ever visited is basically an HTML file with fancy styling. It's like the skeleton of a website, not pretty on its own, but essential for everything else. CSS, HTML's stylish best friend that makes websites actually look good. Without CSS, every website would look like it's from 1995. It's the difference between a house's frame and a house. Yes, you'd actually want to live INJS. JavaScript makes websites interactive instead of just sitting. They're like digital brochures. Want a button that does something when clicked? That's JavaScript working its magic. It's basically the caffeine of the internet. .jpg JPEG, the most common image format that trades quality for smaller file sizes. It uses lossy compression, meaning some data gets thrown away forever. It's like making a photocopy of a photocopy eventually. Things get a bit blurry. .png, the image format that supports transparency and doesn't lose quality. It's bigger than JPEG, but keeps every pixel exactly as intended. Perfect for logos and graphics, where you need crisp edges and see-through backgrounds. .gif, the ancient format that somehow became the king of internet memes. It supports animation and limited colors, making it perfect for those endless loops of cats doing silly things. It's older than most people using it. SVG, vector graphics that scale infinitely without getting pixelated. You can zoom in forever, and it'll still look crisp. It's like having a drawing made of mathematical formulas instead of dots. .mp3, the format that killed CDs and started the digital music revolution. It compresses audio by removing sounds humans supposedly can't hear. Anyway, audiophiles hate it, but everyone else thinks it sounds just fine. .mp4, the video format that dominates the internet. It balances file size with decent quality, which is why YouTube and Netflix love it. Contains both video and audio streams wrapped up in one convenient package. AVI, Microsoft's video format from the ancient times of computing. Still works, but feels like using a flip phone in the smartphone era. It's reliable but massive compared to modern alternatives. .mov, Apple's video format that loves to cause problems on Windows computers. It's high quality, but stubbornly refuses to play nice with other operating systems. Classic Apple move, really. .wav, uncompressed audio that takes up enormous amounts of space. It's like storing every grain of sand on a beach instead of just taking a photo. Perfect quality. But your hard drive will hate you, Flock. The audiophile's dream format that compresses without losing any quality. It's like having a magic suitcase that fits more clothes without wrinkles. Music nerds swear by it. Normal people can't tell the difference. Zip, the file format that squishes other files together to save space. It's like vacuum-sealed storage bags for your digital stuff. Almost every operating system can handle zip files without breaking a sweat. RAR, Zip's more powerful cousin that compresses better but requires special software to open. It's like having a really good lock that only works with one specific key. Great compression, but not universally supported. 7Z, the open source compression format that often beats both Zip and RAR. It's free, powerful, and efficient, but most people have never heard of it. XLSX, Excel's modern spreadsheet format that replaced the older XLS version. It's zip compressed like DocX, so you can peek inside if you're curious. Accountants everywhere depend on this format to survive. CSV, the simplest spreadsheet format that's just values separated by commas. Every program can read it, making it the diplomatic translator of data formats. It's ugly, but gets the job done everywhere. JSON, the format that powers modern web applications by structuring data in a readable way. It's like XML's cooler, younger sibling that doesn't overcomplicate things. Programmers love it because it's clean and logical. XML, The verbose data format that loves using lots of brackets and tags. It's technically powerful, but often overkill for simple tasks, like writing a formal letter when a text message would suffice. .iso, a perfect copy of an entire CD or DVD stored as a single file. It's like making a digital clone of a disk, complete with all its data and structure. Virtual machines love this format. .dmg, Apple's disk image format that works like a virtual CD for Mac computers. Double-click it, and a new drive appears on your desktop. It's Apple's way of packaging software installations. .exe, Windows executable files that make programs run. Double-click, and something happens, hopefully something good. Every Windows program starts its life as an exe file. App, Mac's version of executable files, though they're actually folders disguising themselves as single files. Right-click, and choose Show Package Contents to see the magic behind the curtain. It's like a Russian nesting doll of files. .dll, Dynamic link, library files that Windows programs share to avoid duplicating code. They're like communal tools that multiple programs borrow when needed. When they go missing, programs tend to have meltdowns. TTF, true type fonts that make text look pretty instead of like typewriter output. Each file contains all the curves and shapes needed to display letters beautifully. Typography nerds collect these like Pokemon cards. ICO, tiny image files designed specifically for icons. They contain multiple sizes of the same image, so your desktop looks crisp at any resolution. Small, but mighty in the world of user interfaces. Backup files created by paranoid programs that don't trust you not to mess things up. Their safety nets for when you accidentally delete something important. Your software's way of saying, "I told you so." Like, subscribe, or leave a comment, or all three. Either way, thanks for watching.